Hi! Cooking this recipe was a really nice surprise. This chicken has a lot of flavor, and it's really tender and juicy. Really near to masterpiece. Let's start cutting 2 chicken breasts into strips. Put the strips on a bowl and add a bit of salt and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of ras el hanout and mix again well. Ras el hanout is a typical mix of species from Morocco. You can find it, for example, at Amazon.com. After mixing, clean your hands with abundant water and soap, otherwise your nails will be yellow for some days. Now it's time to cut the rest of ingredients. Cut into julienne 2 onions. Cut into strips 2 green peppers, having each strip about 1 finger of length. Cut in 4 about 100 grams of mushrooms. Be sure to wash well your mushrooms, because if it remains some brown, it could ruin your recipe, and it will be a pity. Finally, laminate 2 garlic cloves. In a pan, add enough olive oil to cover the base. Before oil gets too hot, add the chicken breast. Stir and cook for about 5 minutes. Then remove the chicken from the pan and reserve for later. In the same pan, add the onion, green pepper, mushrooms and garlic, as well as a bit of salt. Cook them for about 10 minutes and stir frequently. After these 10 minutes, add a bit of white wine and cook for 5 minutes more, also stirring frequently. Then put back the chicken in the pan. Add about a quarter of liter of chicken stock, a yogurt or sour cream, and a bunch of chopped parsley. Mix well everything and stir frequently while cooking for about 25 to 40 minutes. You need to cook it until there is almost no liquid. Hope you like this recipe. See you next time!